Your skin might be aging faster than you think. And it's probably not your fault. In this video, we uncover 12 everyday skincare mistakes that are quietly damaging your skin in 20 to 5... and how to fix them starting today. Stick around. By the end, you'll know exactly what to avoid and what your skin will thank you for. Skipping sunscreen even on cloudy days. UV rays penetrate clouds. Damage still occurs, accelerates aging and pigmentation, increases risk of skin cancer over time. Sunscreen is essential even in indoors windows. Broad spectrum SPF 30+ is non-negotiable. One-time morning application isn't enough. Blue light exposure from screens equals damage to most people. Apply to little product. Makeup with SPF isn't enough coverage. Reapply every 2 hours. When exposed to invest in mineral sunscreen for sensitive skin. Over-exfoliating your skin strips your natural moisture barrier, leads to sensitivity, redness, and peeling. Exfoliation should be maxed 2-3 times. Weak chemical exfoliants are gentler than scrubs. Watch out for ingredients like salicylic acid. Avoid mixing acids. AHA plus BHA without guidance. Skin becomes vulnerable to sun. Damage may trigger breakouts due to irritation. Always follow with hydration. After exfoliating, don't exfoliate if your skin is already inflamed. Sensitive skin, use enzyme exfoliants instead. Sleeping with makeup on blocks pores and causes breakouts. Traps dirt and pollutants on skin. Speeds up aging due to free radicals. Mascara residue can cause irritation. Skincare doesn't absorb well on dirty skin, leads to uneven skin tone and texture. Disrupts natural skin repair process, and night bacteria buildup increases. Causes blackheads and enlarged pores. Always double cleanse, especially after SPF. Not moisturizing oily skin. Oily skin still needs hydration. Skipping moisturizer triggers more oil production. Hydrated skin equals balanced skin. Use gel-based or oil-free moisturizers. Dehydrated skin becomes dull and rough. Matte skin isn't always healthy. Skin hydration helps control sebum levels. Moisturizer locks in your treatment products. Avoid alcohol-based products. Look for non-comedogenic labels. Using dirty makeup brushes breeds bacteria and fungi. Causes recurring breakouts and irritation. Spreads old product and oil back onto skin. Eyeshadow brushes can cause infections. Wash tools weekly with gentle soap. Never share brushes with other sponges. Should be replaced regularly. Synthetic brushes hold less bacteria. Store brushes in open air, not makeup bags. Dirty tools sabotage clean skincare routines. Ignoring your neck and chest. Neck skin is thinner and ages faster. Sun damage shows quickly on the décolletage. Sagging and wrinkles are hard to reverse. Use SPF on chest daily. Don't forget hydrating serums. Necklines age faster due to clothing friction. Extend exfoliation to the chest area. Use gentle massage to lift the area. Tech neck. Moisturize and firm with peptides. Using too many active ingredients together can overwhelm and irritate the skin barrier. Mixing retinol and vitamin C risky. Overlapping acids leads to peeling and burning. Skin purging does not equal long-term damage. Protection. Introduce one new active at a time. Alternate actives on different days. AM PM routine. Always patch test before use. Read product labels carefully. Less is more. Don't chase fast results. Hydrating actives can buffer strong ones. Consult a dermatologist if unsure. Using hot water to wash your face strips away natural oils, leads to dryness, redness, and sensitivity. Hot water damages the moisture barrier. Lukewarm water, skin-friendly cold water can help reduce puffiness. Hot steam is only safe for short durations. Post hot water, your skin may feel tight. That squeaky clean feeling equals too much stripping. Avoid hot showers hitting your face. Reduces skin elasticity over time. Finish with a splash of cool water to soothe. Touching your face constantly transfers oil, dirt, and bacteria. Causes clogged pores and acne. Increases inflammation from friction. Picking or squeezing worsens scarring. Mindless touching spreads viruses. To keep hands clean and away from your face. Resting your face on hands. Big no. Stress-related touching equals unconscious habit. Fidgeting can trigger eczema flare-ups. Tie your hair back to avoid temptation. Keep nails trimmed and clean. Using expired skincare products. Ingredients degrade over time. Expired actives lose effectiveness. Bacteria buildup can cause infections. Preservatives stop working after expiry. Check the POW symbol period after opening. Write the opening date on your products. Natural products expire faster. Change in smell or texture. Toss it. Don't hoard skincare unnecessarily. Refrigeration can extend shelf life. Better to use fewer Fresher products. Skipping nighttime skincare. Night is when skin regenerates the most. Missing PM care equals slow skin progress, repairs damage done during the day. Hydration at night prevents overnight water loss. Skipping retinoids or treatments equals delayed results. Use a richer moisturizer at night. Target fine lines, dark spots, and dullness. Layering serums helps absorption. Your skin works harder while you sleep. A 5-minute routine can transform skin overnight. No screen time after skincare equals better effect, not staying consistent. Skincare is about routine, not quick fixes. Switching products constantly confuses skin. You won't see results in 3 days. Commit to 6 to 8 weeks for changes. Track results with photos. Set a morning and night habit. Build around your lifestyle. Don't chase hype. Stick to what works. Long-term care beats trendy hacks. Skin has cycles. Honor them. Consistency equals visible, lasting glow. Layering products in the wrong order. Applying thick creams before serums blocks absorption. General rule: apply from thinnest to thickest. Serums go before moisturizers. Sunscreen should always be the final step. In the AM. Layering products in the wrong order. Applying thick creams before serums blocks absorption. General rule: apply from thinnest to thickest. Serums go before moisturizers. Sunscreen should always be the final step. In the AM. Layering wrong reduces effectiveness. Toners help prep skin, not replace moisturizers. Oils should go last. They seal everything in. Mixing oil-based and water-based products. Be careful. Incorrect layering can cause pilling. Wait 30 to 60 seconds between layers for absorption. Following the correct order enhances results. Not cleaning pillowcases and towels often accumulates oil, sweat, and dead skin cells. Causes acne and irritation. Overnight bacteria buildup transfers back to the face. Change pillowcases 1 to 2 times a week. Avoid using fabric softener on face towels. Use hypoallergenic laundry detergent. Designate separate towels for your face. Wash your bedding in hot water regularly. Silk pillowcases reduce friction and hair breakage. Dirty linens equals clean skin. Sabotage towels should be padded, not rubbed on skin. Believing expensive means better. Pricey doesn't always mean more effective. Some luxury brands focus on packaging over formulation. Drugstore brands often have dermatologist recommended formulas. Key is ingredients, not branding. Some affordable options outperform luxury creams. High price equals marketing, not always science. Learn to read ingredient labels. Simplicity beats overcomplication. Patch test before splurging. Skincare is about consistency, not cost. Results come from usage, not hype. Relying on face wipes alone for cleansing. Wipes don't remove all dirt or makeup, can leave a film that clogs pores. Tugging causes fine lines over time. Often contains harsh alcohols or fragrances. Not eco-friendly, contributes to waste. Use wipes only for emergencies or travel. Always follow up with proper cleanser. Face wipes does not equal double cleanse, can lead to residue buildup. Choose micellar water or gentle oil cleanser instead. Applying skincare products with dirty hands. Bacteria transfers directly to your face, contaminates your products too. Always wash hands before skincare routines, can cause acne flare-ups and infections. Use clean tools or spatulas. When possible, don't dip fingers directly into jars. Keep hand sanitizer away from skin contact. Touching face mid-routine equals product waste. Clean hands equals clean skin. Hands can carry oils from hair, food, etc. Using body products on your face. Body lotions are thicker and more comedogenic. Facial skin is more sensitive and delicate. Body products may have fragrances and oils unsuitable for face. Risk of breakouts and irritation. Face needs pH balance and targeted formulas. SPF for the body is not meant for facial use. Ingredients like lanolin can clog pores. Facial skin ages faster, needs more focused care. Body scrubs can cause micro tears. Stick to products labeled facial use only. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more.